What if I told you your backyard fence is teeming with more life than you could ever imagine? Beyond the wood, paint, or metal lies a hidden world, a thriving ecosystem of creatures, plants, and fungi. Let's uncover the astonishing biodiversity that exists right on your fence. Every crack, groove, and shaded corner becomes a micro-metropolis. Bacteria, fungi, and algae quietly form the foundation, while moisture and sunlight carve out unique zones where different organisms thrive. Ants and earwigs use fence gaps as highways and shelter. Spiders turn posts into their hunting grounds, and solitary bees cleverly nest within tiny crevices. Over time, mosses, lichens, and seedlings colonize surfaces, while underground fungal networks recycle nutrients, feeding back into the ecosystem. Predators and prey interact daily. Ladybugs hunt aphids, small birds forage, and pollinators carry life to nearby plants. Together, they form a delicate balance of competition, cooperation, and survival. Your fence isn't just a boundary, it's a living classroom. By simply observing, you can learn about nature's resilience and interconnectedness in your own backyard. Treat it with care, and you'll discover it has much more to teach than you ever expected. For more insights into fences and the fascinating stories they hold, visit kaonfenceinc.com or call 78176 73596.